The chipset crisis is currently hit the technology industry. It is predicted that the crisis will still happen until 2022 or 2023. Some technology manufacturers that produce technology devices ranging from smartphones, game consoles, to automotive are in panic. On the other hand, this crisis hasn't affected the PC industry too much in the first quarter of 2021. Global PC shipments on the quarter have increased 55% year-over-year with 84 million devices shipped across the globe. This number has indeed decreased by 8% compared to the fourth quarter of 2020, but it is still a positive number. Apple is one of the tech vendors with aggressive growth of more than 100%. The increase was also experienced by 4 other computer vendors. Lenovo reportedly came with a market share of 24.3%, growing 59.1% from the same period last year. The tech company reportedly sent 20.4 million units during this period. HP Incorporation reportedly came with a market share of 22.9%, up 64.1% from the first quarter of 2020, and sending 19.2 million units of device. Dell Technologies reportedly came with a market share of 15.4%, up 23.4% from the same period last year with shipments of 12.9 million units. Apple, which is increased 111% from the same period last year, grabbed an 8% market share by shipping 6.6 million units. Acer Group, which controls 7% of the market share, reportedly came with a total shipments of 5.8 million units, up 73.5% from last year. It is said that there will be unexpected requests in some segments, especially business, education, and consumer segments, following the crisis. In addition, thanks to the pandemic, IDC set a record for the highest global PC shipments in 2020. Based on a report released by research firm IDC, the PC shipments in 2020 was recorded at 302.6 million units, or increased by 13.1% compared to 2019. According to IDC, in the research Worldwide Quarterly Personal Computing Device Tracker, this number represents the highest growth in the PC shipments in the last 10 years. IDC said that the increasing demand for PCs is mainly due to the need for users who are forced to work from home or students who are just entered the e-learning courses.